Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan, and today we are going to display two column layout or three column layout in WooCommerce product archive pages like shop page, category page or tag page, WooCommerce archive pages. Now you see three column layout. So we are going to change it to two column layout. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So this is our category page, WooCommerce archive pages. Now go to customize section and then you see we are in customizing section. Now you see WooCommerce, so click on it. In WooCommerce, now you see product catalog, so again click on it. And then in product catalog, now you see product per row. How many products should be shown per row? Now you see 3. So we are going to make it 2. So you can set any number. So we are going to display 2 product per row or 3 product per row. And then click on publish. Now publish done. Go to shop page again, category page and refresh the page. Now you see 2 column layout in WooCommerce archive pages. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.